How to fix WhatsApp video call not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp video call not showing on Android phone. First go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here click WhatsApp and go to permissions. Allow all of those here: camera, click allow, and the microphone and allow, and just allow all of those. And after that go to notifications and call notifications, and here enable this one, banners. You will find it like that. Enable it, and that's it. Now just click force stop and go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.